Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other mid-size pickup can match. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.